Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Presiden Jongkari, ka Draupadi Murmu, kala jau Brup ki Ummat, haba ki Khynnah ki bamla ban Ïohi ki Khmat, ki ai khublai sngi khai ka da ki sor jing Rwai, ha ka sngi bakadap nriu penyos nem karta. Ka Presiden Murmu, kamla set syu ya ki Ummat jongka. Ha ka por bakalej sya National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Visual Disabilities ha Uttarakhand. Ha bakran ha kanikasngi. Ka Presiden Kalaong, bakamla syu ban set ye ki Ummat jongka. Haba ka Ïohi bakini ki Khynnah, ki bam Ïohi ki Khmat, ki Rwai ban ai khublai yaka, bat kani ka kta ba yaka mensim jongka. Kalaong baki Khynnah, ki balakha ha ka jingduna, ki donpat yaka bor bapala, bat kala ai mensim yaki, baki day ban long ki baslur, bat ki basania halade. Ka Presiden Kalalej sya Uttarakhand, na kabentaban play ya ka jingshna batamai jong ka jakasa pengat ka presiden kabalatip kong ka Rashtrapati Nikitan.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.